Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with my JulieNutting doll stamp 2020 celebration 2020. I don't know how many times I have tried to videotape this. This is like almost 3 o'clock in the morning. Just got out of a Zoom with my girls doing scrapbooking, and I'm babysitting a 1-year-old, the one that I did the video before this one on Mr. Wonderful, that I did all the body stuff, birthday party stuff for. He is in my arms right now. He decided to wake up when he normally sleeps through the night, but of course he's not with his mom, so I had to keep doing this video over. So let me try to get through it quick. So please check out the show me box below to find out all the other wonderful collaborators. I'm sure you will be inspired. So please like and subscribe to their channel. I used 4 dolls, which I cut in half. I used Susie, Gina, sorry about the lighting. 2 of my light bulbs and my ceiling fan just went out. Betsy, in the middle of me trying to videotape, and Becky. So then I took 4 of my four out of my pack. I think it was a pack of 8 or something like that, or 10. Artist Law 4x4 canvases. I just ripped this open. This is older stamp, first time using it, but it's by Dina Wakely, and I just used each one of these in that background. I decided to do napkins. I want to do mixed medium, so these are the 4 napkins that I chose. This one was Tuesday morning. This is an old Tuesday morning one. This one, Ollie's. Hopefully you can see. I apologize again if you can't. So I took those. I gessoed my canvas, and then I used those stamps to stamp back in the background with some archival ink like blues and oranges and greens. And then I turned around and I adhered the napkin to the canvas. Then I embossed and stamped and heat stamped with some gold or silver. I embossed it of those same stamps that I had. Excuse me. And then I just took a cap and just dipped this in ink, made some circles, did some splatters that ended up splattering on my dolls that I had already colored and stamped, and they weren't sitting well on the other side of the table, but my splatter somehow got on top of them, so someone got little splotches on them. But that's okay, because it's mixed media, give a little character. So that's about embracing imperfection, so I'm good with that. But anyway, so I'm going to jump right in and show you what I did, and I also printed out just a couple of sentiments that I thought went along with the papers. So this first one, and again, I apologize for the lighting. It's like I said, I can put a spotlight over here. Let's see if this can help with me. Hopefully you can see it. I can hardly see it because I hold him. He's a chest baby. Oh my gosh. If you ever had a chest baby, you know what I mean. He cannot sleep unless he's on somebody's chest. Ooh. But as soon as you put him on your chest, he's just like that. He got out just like that. Smile, Jesus loves you. So he's on my little bag of chips. If you see my video before this. And then this one, whoops. What I did for this one is I took out, so this one right here is on that one. You can see the similarities. I just pushed back some of the color by adding some extra gold and white and stuff on it, and inking everything around with some black ink. And again, it says Smile Jesus Loves You, and I went around it with a black, couldn't find my watermarker pen. I had time to, my watercolor pen, I just used a regular colored pencil, and inked everything. And then this one right here, I used this napkin, and I took all the napkins and I ironed them, and I cut that section out so it wouldn't have that crease in the middle, because I wasn't sure if I was going to do a whole collage page at first. So I ironed all of my napkins, and so that's the cloud page, and you can see the green dots coming through from the, when it was white, and then I put the tissue on top of it, and then I stamped on top of it again, so you can still see some of that depth of those inside of there. And it says, your ways and your thoughts are higher than mine. And that actually came from, I was inspired to say that from Isaiah 55:9. It says, for the heavens are higher than The earth soar my ways higher than your ways, and my thoughts higher than your thoughts. And I thought of that because I saw the clouds. So that's kind of what made me do that one. And then the Americana, the beef, just the American sentiments and stuff like that one. I ended up doing this one, and it says, the truth shall make you free. Not America, but the truth. So I put that one there, and I put some gesso across it and a little bit of silver, just like I put some gesso on all of these. And not gesso, I'm sorry, I use white acrylic and some silver, and on this one I used some gold. So those two I did some gold smudging, and this one I did some silver smudging, as well as silver embossing. These have gold embossing. And then my last one, and that one right there, of course, comes from John 8:32. This one right here that just says, and you should know the truth, and the truth should make you free. So that's what that one was inspired for. And this one right here, the Lord will protect me. I really wanted to put it here, but the scripture would have been too long. It's when the enemy comes in like a flood, the Spirit of the Lord should lift up a standard against him. Isaiah 55:19. But I didn't have enough room. But that was my inspiration for each one of those. So again, that's been real quick. And check out my IG, DaretoBeCreative1. If you want to see them more in detail. And again, like I said, I got a couple of splatters on them. I don't care. They still came out cute. I still like them. I was excited to do some mixed media. And it's hard when you're distracted with a baby. But I still got to play, so that was still fun. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. You're so heavy. Oops. Go back. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.